Hey Nampa community, I just want to say thank you so much for your support to our schools and our children. I've been in Nampa for over 20 years, and one of the reasons I stayed here was because of our community loves our kids and we serve our kids. And I just want to thank you so much for getting the information out and continue to support our schools. It means a great deal to all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, community, for supporting our supplemental levy. Our kids and our staff are going to benefit tremendously across the district.
I'm super happy that the community was able to come together and agree on something, and it's going to benefit future athletes and us now, and I think it's just really cool that it was able to pass.
Hey Nampa, just want to say thank you so much. Really appreciate the support of Nampa School District and the programs we can provide to our kids in our community. Really appreciate the support. Thanks again.
Thank you so much to the community for going out and voting yesterday, and really appreciate your support. A lot of that levy fund does support our school in providing the special education services for our preschool age students and being able to provide a general education opportunity for kids. So thank you so much for your support.
Thank you so much, community, for passing this levy. This is my 26th year in Nampa in education, and so I know far and wide how this helps what we do for kids, what we do for families, the different opportunities we can provide for our students at all levels, from kindergarten all the way to 12th grade, and the different programming. So this is huge for the work that we do for everyone in the community. So we sure appreciate it.
We just wanted to say a huge thank you to the community for coming out last night and getting out to vote. The difference that the levy is going to make within the learning style of all of our kids across the district and the opportunities that they're going to be provided through this levy is just going to be felt immensely throughout the community. So thanks again, community. Great job. Thank you for the support.
I just want to take a few seconds and thank our Nampa community for voting on this replacement levy. Thank you for your votes, and thank you for thinking about our students and helping us keep up the type of educational structure that we have currently for our kids.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, City of Nampa, for passing the levy. First try!
I just want to tell the community thank you very much. Really appreciate you guys coming out, taking the time to vote, and to support our schools and kids. So thank you again very much. It's going to go a long way.
I just want to say thank you so much for voting for our levy. It brings a mass amount of resources. So thank you, community, thank you, parents, and everybody for voting for our levy.
Thank you, Nampa, for supporting the levy. New Horizons is very excited that we're going to be able to maintain our one-to-one devices and all the wonderful things that we currently have going at our school. Gracias, Nampa, por apoyar la sobretasa. Nuestra escuela está muy emocionados que vamos a poder mantener las cosas que tenemos como las computadoras, y muchas gracias por su apoyo.